All right, we are here at the Eastside Lodge here in Portland, Oregon. There's Riley, there's Kyle there. I think the elevator's right there.
Yeah, with that slightly tall area.
Yeah.
Very easily behind glass. Oh yeah, there's the machine.
Yep, there's the elevator machine room, and hopefully it's still original. Are you kidding me?
And it's out of service.
Oh, I hear it though.
I hear it too.
Or they must have forgot to take the sign off.
Either that or it was, having like a controller glitch and then solved itself.
When you think the elevator's broken, Justin, but guess what?
Well, it seems to be working.
Hopefully we don't get stuck.
Oh, it's a Montgomery. 3.
Justin, you're in for a treat.
Look
Let's
at
listen to
this.
this motor.
And the buttons are smaller too than on most.
Yeah, they are.
Here we go.
Very
That was an
smooth.
Incredible motor.
There's the call button, which is mounted right in the door jamb.
Yeah.
There's open. 1. This is epic.
For real.
I love the motor on it.
Yeah.
Me too, and that startup too.
Yeah. Yeah, I like startups where you kind of hear it gradually crank up.
Oh yeah, classic levels too.
There's a
At
look
least
at the
going
cab.
down.
Yeah.
All right, wait for it to shut.
Yep.
Here we go. Very epic. I'll let you
Nice.
send it down.
There's the address right there.
This thing's very smooth too.
It's much faster going down
And
too.
it does classic level.
Yeah, I
Alright.
really love that call button a lot.
Me
It's
too.
really interesting.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Runs like a champ.
Yeah.
I'm guessing, so there's the company that made the metal for this thing, apparently. Interesting hotel. That area is all interior corridor.
Oh, yeah, back.
but the rest of it's exterior. Very cool vintage hotel.
I wonder if there's another one. Is this the only one?
I'm pretty sure it is. But I'm not
Yeah.
complaining. This is pretty epic.
I'm gonna guess for this size hotel. This will be it.
Yeah. And here we go
These
back
definitely
down.
feel like armored too for rotary elevators.
Yeah, the panel kind of does look like one you'd see on a rotary.
It does.
So does the call button. Alright, here we are on 2. I'm gonna show the intermediate station real quick.
Even
Yep,
though it doesn't
it-
have one.
Yeah, it is a non-selective, non-collective controller. Oh, it took us all the way down, actually. Huh.
Oh, that's weird.
But
Anyways,
I'll do one more ride and then we'll head off.
Alright.
I can end it up here.
Okay.
USW it. So I can save memory too.
This is why I always bring my camera for filming and why I'll bring an extra battery and two SD cards.
Yep.
So I don't have to worry about this.
Same.
Yeah, this is all the same.
Pretty cool though.
Yeah. Well, it makes sense it's an on-selective collective with the age and this being kind of a cheaper install.
Yeah, but even the cheapest installs back then were still really high quality. I mean, this thing's gotta be at least 60 years old now.
And it still runs perfect.
Exactly. Even though it says it's broken on the doors.
It seems
yeah.
like it might have just had some kind of issue with, controller or something.
When you thought the elevator
That's
was
what I'm
broken,
thinking.
but it's actually working, you heard it.
And that's why you always press the call buttons, even if there's a sign saying it doesn't
No
work.
assuming.
Exactly, but, well, there it goes.